This is a very steep and scary road. Really hope I don't meet any other cars up here. How do you do?
Hello.
Hello.
I ate quite a lot of food last night.
It's all in our hands, this life of time
Where are we going? What's happening?
We're heading up towards Haystacks.
that's given to us all.
Hopefully we'll get some cracking views over Button.
It gathers round each night, each morn. We watch it pass and grow.
Today, top of these hills, fantastic. We've got the weather, so
Where are we going?
It is all in our hands, it is all in our hands.
Video. This is 2 hours with Jacob.
2 hours of definitions.
By Jacob Tonkin. Whilst Hector tries to
Every
trip it up.
field and rising sun
It's not that much bigger than that.
can hear the sounds of all, and with every change we'll always be where hope's not lost but found. It is all in our hands, it is all in our hands.
That is the nicest thing I've ever eaten on my life. Basically do like the Ready Steady Cook challenge, where I give you the actually brought ingredients and then you have to make something with them. Delicious.
It is all in our hands, it is all in our hands. And we know the change will surely come. Baby, one more trip around the sun. But we'll gather here where land meets sea, where we can be as one.
it's going to be a good video.
You don't know. The change we should